Hello, my name's Diane and I'm a freelance fabric designer and workshop teacher here at the Sewing Studio. I'd really like to have an opportunity to show you this cut and sew panel that I've designed in collaboration with the Sewing Studio. It's a cushion that I made last year for my grandchildren and they absolutely loved it, so I decided to actually design it and make it a really easy project. It took me just over an hour to make. I'm going to be teaching a class on it, which would be about 3 hours, but it would be great for you to come along, sit with me, have a little bit of fun making this cushion. There are two colourways, got a traditional red and green, and for those that love silver decorations or a more modern look, there's this lovely turquoise and pink colourway. The cushions have a lovely front pocket, which is great for children's books or if you want to give as a gift. You can also put little toys or sweets in them. And each fabric panel is only $9.95, available here at the Sewing Studio or on their website. You can also sign up to their newsletter to get all the information so you don't miss out on any future collaborations that we're doing.